Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add audio to CapCut PC. So let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I have created a project as well, and we're going to practice how we can add audio to this project. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on audio option right here. Then there will be some options for you. You can choose either music, sound effects, extracted audios, or audio from TikTok. And if you want to add music to your project, you just need to click on the music option. Then you can scroll down like this to find the music that you want to add to your project. And don't forget to download the music first before you add the music, and make sure that you have internet connection to download the music. And you just need to click on this download button. And then after the music has been downloaded, you will be able to add the music to your project by clicking on this plus button. And if you want to add sound effects, you just need to click on the sound effect right here. Then there will be a lot of sound effects that you can use, and you just need to download it, then add to your project. Okay, and if you want to add extracted audios, you just need to click on extracted audios option. Then you can import video to your project. And for example, I'm going to add this video, so just click on the video, then click on open. Then this is the extracted audio, and if you want to add the audio to your project, you just need to click on this plus button. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to add music, so I'm going to add this music. Then I'm going to add tap on this plus button. Okay, and now the music has been added to our project. Okay guys, and that's how we can add audio to our project in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.